Beauties, I am so excited to be back. It has been such a long time since I've done a makeup tutorial, but I am back because springtime has me really inspired with fashion and beauty and hair, and I just wanted to come back and do some things that are more fun and creative as well. So today's video is made in partnership with Estee Lauder and their new Double Wear Stay in Place Matte Powder Foundation. This is a very versatile foundation. You can use it 3 different ways, and I'm going to show you how to use them all, from sheer to medium to full coverage, depending on what you're looking for. I don't know about you, but I do not have 45 minutes to do a cut crease and shape my eyebrows like I used to. So I want something that's going to be out the door, super easy, but still glamorous, because I know you still want to slay. I created this entire look that I've been rocking almost every single day when I wear makeup, and I wear it to run errands, to pick up my son from school, to the doctor's office. So with that being said, let's get right into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna be doing a super easy look today. We're gonna get right into it. I wanna show you the before, and then we're going to go in directly into the new Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Powder Foundation. I love this foundation in particular because of the different ways that you can use it depending on what you're looking for. So if you want light coverage, there's a specific way to use it. If you want medium and also full coverage, which is what I'm gonna go for today. I'm gonna go somewhere in between medium to full coverage today. You open it up and you have the powder foundation in here, and then right inside you have a sponge. You want to take the little sponge that comes inside of the compact. You will notice that one of the sides is velvety and then the other side it's a sponge texture. So if you want sheer coverage, what you do is you take a little bit of water or a hydrating mist, and then you just spray a little bit of water onto the spongy side. So this is my real color, guys, the one that I've been using, which is called 4W1 Honey Bronze. So I misted the spongy side of the sponge, and I'm gonna go directly into the powder, just like this, to pick it up. And this is going to give you sheer coverage. You can see how it's adding color to my skin. It's not really covering up my pimples, and my sunspots are still showing through, but nonetheless, it's still more of a wearable finish. And this is the method that I like to apply the first layer. And what you wanna do is just smooth it out. But you know what? I'm actually going to switch to the velvety side, and I'm gonna go directly onto the powder. I'm gonna go to the dry side of the powder just to apply the foundation on my face. And this is going to give me medium coverage. When you're applying the foundation dry, what I recommend that you do is dab it. That way you have more control of where you want the coverage, and it looks beautiful that way. It's very silky, very soft, very weightless, which is amazing when it comes to a powder foundation. So now if you want more targeted coverage, if you want overall full coverage, what you wanna do is flip it over to the spongy side once it's dry, and then you can just go into the powder, and then you just dab any area in your face that you want targeted coverage, or if you want the whole entire face to be full coverage. It's all up to what you're looking for, but I am very happy with this combination. And I love that I can use so many different ways, not just apply a foundation that's just going to be full coverage from the get-go, you know? So you want a product that's versatile, and that's really what I really love about this foundation. Ooh, yes. All right, so now we're going to move on to the eye makeup, which is going to be pretty simple and straightforward, which is what I look for when it comes to wearing color during the daytime. I don't want anything that's gonna require too much technique. Medium Deep Chocolate Soleil Bronzer by Too Faced, and this is just gonna add a little bit of color to my face, some contour. And I'm just grabbing a tapered brush like this one, and then very lightly, starting from the outer edge, I'm just going to blend to the center of my face and then back up, just so it can look nice and natural and well blended. All right, so for the highlight, I'm actually going to move into using a cream product because I feel like it just makes the skin look more natural and the glow more realistic as opposed to a powder. Plus, my entire face is pretty matte, so I want to add some dimension, I want to add some luminosity. So the best thing to do for that is to apply a cream highlight. This type of flat foundation brush is going to be the best tool to apply a cream highlight because all you have to do is just dab it anywhere on your face that you want to add some glow. So I am mixing both of them because they're both gorgeous. So you can see already a beautiful glow happening on the face. This is exactly what I wanted. This look is all about the eyelashes also, guys, especially since we don't have any bold eyebrows, no liner, nothing crazy going on. We really want something that's going to just pop, right? So now that we have these beautiful shimmery colors on the eyes, all I'm missing, I should say, is a little bit of mascara. This one from Too Faced, Better Than Sex mascara, is one of my favorites because it's going to give me a lot of volume, a lot of length, and curl. So I'm going to do 2 coats. So now for the lip color, I have a few colors that I picked out by Estee Lauder. I was thinking of doing like a coral lip, but honestly, I think I'm just going to stick to this gorgeous color. It's Pure Color Envy, and the color is called Pink Berry, which is beautiful and it matches my eye makeup. So I am just going to apply this to finish up today's makeup. Oh, the formula is amazing because it's creamy, it adds color, it's hydrating. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. I am so happy that spring is here. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. And I will also have a list of all of the products down in the info box for you guys if you're interested in case you missed anything. So with that being said, have a blessed and beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.